Welcome back to my channel for English lessons. In this video, we are going to do some reading together. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel for more English lessons. Emma has a new neighbor. His name is Ali. One morning, Emma sees Ali outside. She smiles and says, "Good morning." Ali smiles too. He is very kind. Emma introduces herself. She says, "Hi, I'm Emma." Ali says, "Nice to meet you. I'm Ali." Emma invites Ali to go to the park on the weekend. Ali says, "That sounds great." They walk together, talk, and laugh. At the end of the day, they are both happy because they have a new friend. Here are some new words. Neighbor is a person who lives near you. Smile is to show happiness with your face. Kind is someone nice and friendly. Introduce is to tell someone your name. Invite is to ask someone to come. Park is a place with trees and grass. Weekend is Saturday and Sunday. Happy is feeling good. What is the answer to these questions? 1. What is the neighbor's name? Ali? 2. What does Emma say first? Good morning. 3. Where does Emma invite Ali? To the park. 4. When did they go to the park? On the weekend. 5. How do they feel at the end? They feel happy. One afternoon, Tom is walking to the store. He sees a wallet on the ground. Tom picks it up and looks inside. There is some money and an ID card. Tom reads the name on the card. He finds the owner near the store. Tom returns the wallet. The owner is very thankful. He says, "Thank you for being honest." Tom smiles and says, "You're welcome." They both leave with a smile. Here are some new words. Wallet is a small case for money and cards. Lose is to not know where something is. Find is to discover something. Honest is someone who always tells the truth and does the right thing. Return is to give something back. Thankful is feeling grateful. Inside is the inner part of something. Owner is the person who has something. What is the answer to these questions? 1. What does Tom find? 2. Where is the wallet? 3. What is inside the wallet? 4. What does Tom do with the wallet? 5. How does the owner feel? Write the answers in the comments down below. Hope you enjoyed my video. Comment down below, what should I do next? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more English lessons.